Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to talk about Flanger. So let's see how it sounds. We have this loop. We have the high pass for the whole effect. Then we have the dry wet. Then we have the delay time and the feedback. So a ton of feedback, a ton of delay time, and here we have the feedback polarity. The feedback polarity changes a lot. This is a really key parameter in Flanger. If you're not getting the sound you want, you might be missing this. Then we have the envelope and the attack time and the release time. If we keep the envelope at 0, these aren't working at all. If we turn them up or down, then we have the LFO and then we also have the phase. We have both channels, the same phase, out of phase, same phase, and in the middle we have all the other settings. And this offset just adjusts the position, the starting position of this waveform. So this is it for the Flanger. Really cool effect. On guitars it sounds amazing, but also on synths, drop basses, and so on. It's a really cool effect. If you bring it back to 50%, you can get some really nice results, especially on harmonically rich sounds. So this is it. See you in the next video.